So tonight I am making my famous burritos. And this is my mom's recipe. It's quite easy and it's really good. So I have 12 ounces of bacon here that I have sliced up, and I am going to fry them in the skillet till they're nice and almost crisp, because I'm going to add some things to this. So let me get my bacon fried up. Okay, so right here I have peeled 3 potatoes. You can see what size they are. Now you can add more or less, or you don't even have to add them at all if you don't want, but they're very good in a burrito. So I have peeled them, and I'm going to dice them up, and I'm going to add them to my bacon. And I'm not going to drain the bacon because I want all that flavor. And this makes a very large amount, and you'll see at the end. So you can always cut this recipe in half. So let me get these diced up and added to my bacon. Okay, so I have added my diced potatoes in with my bacon, and I am just gonna saute them until they are nice and tender. And I just added them right to the bacon grease, and they will soak up a lot of that bacon grease, and they will be really good. So let me saute this up, and I'll show you the next step. Okay, so I just added about a half a pound of hamburger, crumbled it up in there, and I'm going to stir this around and get the hamburger all nice and browned. Like I say, this is about a half a pound. You can add more, you can add less. You could probably even add a different kind of meat if you wanted. I've never tried it with anything other than the hamburger, but why not? Okay, so I'm going to continue cooking this till the hamburger is all brown, and then I will come back and show you the next step. Okay, so my hamburger is browned, my potatoes are tender, my bacon is all crispy, and you know, I wanted to tell you, when my mom used to make this, when she added her potatoes, she always diced up a small green bell pepper and put in, and onions, and my boys don't really like that, so I don't add the bell pepper and the onion, but I do like it that way. So I've got this all browned, and I'm going to be adding, I only use the Rosarita traditional refried beans. I have 2 cans. These are 16-ounce cans, and I'm going to add both of those. I stir it up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my 2 cans of refried beans in here. Now is the time to add your flavorings. I always salt and pepper, even though, you know, I use bacon grease to help season, but beans need salt. So I'm adding my salt and pepper. Now at this time you could add green chilies. You know, I don't know what your heat index is. I like mine on the mild side, but you can spice it up as much as you like. I am going to add La Victoria salsa to mine, and I do add quite a bit. And I'm going to get it all mixed up. I will taste it to see if it needs any more salt and pepper or more salsa. So let me get this all mixed in. And like I say, you can add green chilies or whatever seasonings you like, depending on your heat index. My tongue is definitely mild. So I will get this all mixed up, and then I will probably put a lid on it for a little while and just let all those seasonings and flavors marry, and probably about 15 minutes. And then they're ready to roll, and then I'll be ready to eat. So let me get this all mixed in. Okay, so I've got everything mixed in. I added a little more salt and pepper to it, a little more salsa, and I am just going to cover it with this lid. Doesn't quite fit, but it will work. And I'm just going to let it simmer for about 15 minutes on a very low simmer, just to get all those seasonings married. And then it'll be ready to roll. Ready to roll my burritos, and this is the brand that I like. Lala's traditional style burritos. They are a little bit thinner. I don't like the really thick burritos unless I'm having like soft tacos, but these are nice. They taste homemade to me. I think they are from Arizona, so I don't know if you can get them all over, but these are so good. So I'm going to start rolling the burritos, and they come in a 10-pack, and we'll see how much I'll need for these burritos. So let me get these rolled up. Okay, so, excuse the boys, they were talking about TV something. Anyways, I am going to heat up my burrito shells on both sides and get them warmed up all the way through. And I kind of like it when it gets just a little bit bubbly, but you gotta watch them because they do burn. So I just threw this one in. It is on a medium heat, and I'm gonna go ahead and warm it up, and then I'm gonna roll it. Okay, so gotta be careful flipping these. They are hot, and you can see it's getting a little bit bubbly and a little bit crispy. I don't like them real crispy, but I do like them cooked through. So this one is about ready for me to take out and put my filling in it. Okay, so I put about this much in the middle. You can put as much as little as you like. I like to roll them like this, only one end. I don't do like the Taco Bell thing. And just roll them up. That one is ready to go, and I'm going to go ahead and get my other one going. Okay, so here is the final project. Everything is wrapped. It made 10 large burritos. Normally I can get 12 out of that batch, but we made some big fatties in here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you try this recipe. And if you do, let me know how it turned out in the comments section. Okay, thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Love you guys. Bye for now.